How to enable Face ID or biometric login for multiple apps. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can enable biometric login for multiple apps. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. So to enable any biometric or Face ID, first you'll need to have enabled it in a device first. So navigate to your settings. After you're on your settings, go to security and privacy. After you're on your security and privacy, you can find multiple options such as device unlock. Head over to device unlock. After you there, set up your biometric or your Face ID. So after you've done that, to enable biometric login within any individual app, you'll need to head over to your specific app that you wish to enable to log in. So locate the app in which you wish to enable Face ID or biometric login for. So I'll just open Messenger. And after that, head over to any settings or basically any app in which any settings in which you will then enable the biometric. So head over to menu and then go to settings. After that, you can then find multiple options. So what you'll need to do is basically head over to security or privacy of your app. And there you'll find security section where you should find app lock. Tap on it and enable it. So you might have to give it your biometric to be able to use it to enable the Face ID or biometric login. And now whenever you leave your app, you'll then need to use your biometric to log in. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.